And the Mobile moving off now for Heat 6, 2,230 metres. Two winners from the opening round on the back row, Jane Ellen and Thor Rate. 6 on the front, 4 on the back. Another Bart's the outside runner on the front row. As they go to release point, they're off and racing and getting away very quickly. Roliella from wide out from the bent across them. Kylie's Hero's going fast close to the fence. All a Dream is pushing through the middle, the Western Australian 4-year-old. And it's Roliella in front by a neck, and Warwick is now going to seal All a Dream through, and he's going to take the lead. A length and 3/4 back behind him. Kylie's Hero's dropped onto the fence. Then another Bart. They were from the length and a half further back behind them, then by the Cornishman. Over on the outside, Jane Ellen. Empire Fellows back on the fence, and they were followed further back by National Image. Making a move from the back of the field, Quite Famous, and Thor Rates on the inside of that runner. Quite Famous is now restrained back to the rear. They come to the judges' box with 2 laps to run, and it's All a Dream. Steadied in front by Trevor Warwick from Western Australia. Leads out by a length and a half, Kylie's Hero. And back on the inside, the Cornishman. Roliella is next on the outside. Now hooking out 3 wide to make a run, another Bart. They were followed then by Jane Ellen, moving up on the outside of Empire Fella. Going 3 wide from the back, Quite Famous. Then a length and a half further back behind them, National Image, and 1.5 lengths to Thor Rate last, but they're bunched well up. Down the back, they've covered 1 lap, and it's All a Dream. He's going easily in front, the leader from Quite Famous, which battles up into second position. A half a length to Kylie's Hero behind the leader. Another Bart now, 1 out and 1 back, racing on the outside of the Cornishman as they swing off the back straight. Then a length and a half to Roliella. A neck further back on the inside, Empire Fella, 1.5 lengths, Jane Ellen going easily. Then a length and 3/4 further back behind him, National Image, and Thor Raiders last now, giving the leader 25 metre start as they come into the straight. Racing for the bell with 1,000 metres left to run, and it's still All a Dream, full of running, leading out by a length and 1/4 from Quite Famous, and a head back on the inside to Kylie's Hero in an awkward pocket as they pass the judges' box. Running fourth, another Bart. The Cornishman 5th on the inside, followed by Roliella. It's racing on the outside of Empire Fella. Jane Ellen 3rd last, 2nd last, National Image the rail. And Thor Rate will have to do it the last halfway from last position. Into the back, 600 metres to run. All a Dream is full of running, leads out by a length and a half, Quite Famous. Kylie's Hero still can't get out of the pocket. Then another Bart, and a head back on the inside, the Cornishman, followed by Roliella. And then Empire Fella. They were followed further back in the field by Jane Ellen, yet to make a move. A half a length back behind him, National Image, and Thor Rate is still last. Off the back, 350 left to run. All a Dream being held together, leads out by a length from over on the outside. Quite Famous battling on. A half a length to Kylie's Hero, still in the pocket. Now they come from the back, Jane Ellen winding up, and Thor Rate's right off the track. But the leader is All a Dream. In the straight with 150 metres to run. Under the whip, Quite Famous. Kylie's Hero getting an inside run, and down the outside, Jane Ellen. All a Dream responding to the whip close to home. Jane Ellen pressing home with the Cornishman, but All a Dream wins it. The Cornishman got up to run second, possibly third on the outside, Jane Ellen. Kylie's Hero never got out of the pocket, then Quite Famous. They were followed by National Image, Empire Fella, Roliella. Thor Rates run back near second last, and the last one home is another Bart. Well, a very good win to this smart 4-year-olds from Western Australia. An up-and-coming horse, All a Dream, very lightly raced before coming here for the series. He'd won 4 of his last 5 races in Western Australia since being taken over by Trevor Warwick. He showed brilliant speed out of the Mobile. The hold out Roliella. There's Warwick getting busy in the run home. They never really looked like catching him. Charging home, wide out, the second runner from the outside, the Cornishman. And he's gone up to run second for Lance Justice, and it's pretty close for third. But that is a very impressive win by All a Dream, who firmed right in the betting. The Cornishman gets second, and I think in the gold colours on the outside, Jane Ellen will possibly get third. Kylie's Hero was buried in behind the leader and obscured from our view there, would be close up in 4th position.